The Barefoot Investor by Scott Pape is one of the most popular and practical personal finance books to come out of Australia, but its advice resonates far beyond its borders. Pape, a financial advisor and media personality, offers a straightforward, no-nonsense guide to managing money, eliminating debt, and building wealth, all without getting bogged down in financial jargon. Structure and content. The book is structured as a step-by-step guide, making it accessible to readers at any stage of their financial journey. It's divided into 9 chapters, each representing a step on the path to financial security. These steps are broken down into smaller, actionable tasks, which Pape calls barefoot steps. The tone of the book is informal and approachable, with Pape using a conversational style that makes complex financial concepts easy to understand. He avoids the dry, technical language often associated with finance books, opting instead for relatable metaphors and practical examples drawn from everyday life. Core concepts. At the heart of The Barefoot Investor is the idea that managing your money should be simple, stress-free, and something anyone can do. Pape advocates for a budgeting system based on dividing your income into 3 main categories. Blow, 60%, for daily expenses and fun. Mojo, 20%. For long-term savings and financial security. Grow, 20%, for investments and wealth building. This system is designed to be easy to maintain and encourages a balanced approach to spending, saving, and investing. The Barefoot Steps are practical, actionable tasks that guide readers through different aspects of financial management, such as setting up bank accounts. Pape advises on how to set up multiple accounts to streamline budgeting and ensure that you're saving effectively. Eliminating debt. He provides strategies for paying off debt, including the use of fire extinguishers, extra payments to rapidly reduce high-interest debts. Building a safety net. Pape emphasizes the importance of an emergency fund, which he calls a mojo account, to provide financial security. Investing. The book introduces the concept of index funds as a simple and effective way to grow wealth over time. Each step is designed to build on the previous one, leading readers toward a state of financial security and independence. Financial independence. Pape's ultimate goal for his readers is financial independence, having enough wealth to live comfortably without worrying about money. He emphasizes that this is achievable for most people, regardless of their income level, as long as they follow the steps and remain disciplined. One of the book's strengths is its emphasis on simplicity and long-term thinking. Pape doesn't advocate for get-rich-quick schemes or complex investment strategies. Instead, he encourages readers to focus on the basics, spend less than you earn, eliminate debt, and invest wisely over the long term. Real-life application. Pape's advice is grounded in real-life experience, both his own and that of the countless people he has helped over the years. The book includes numerous case studies and testimonials from readers who have successfully implemented the Barefoot Steps, providing inspiration and evidence that the approach works. Pape also emphasizes the importance of aligning your financial decisions with your values and life goals. He encourages readers to think about what they really want from life and to use their money as a tool to achieve those goals, whether it's buying a home, traveling, or simply feeling secure. Critique. While The Barefoot Investor is widely praised for its practical advice and accessible style, some readers might find it a bit too simplistic, especially if they are already knowledgeable about personal finance. The book's approach is very much focused on the Australian context, so some of the specifics, like recommendations for superannuation, retirement savings, and insurance, might not directly apply to readers in other countries. Additionally, those looking for advanced investment strategies or detailed financial analysis might find the book lacking in depth. However, for the vast majority of people, especially those new to personal finance, this simplicity is a strength rather than a weakness. Conclusion. The Barefoot Investor by Scott Pape is an excellent resource for anyone looking to take control of their finances in a straightforward and effective way. Its step-by-step approach makes it easy to follow, and Pape's engaging writing style ensures that the advice is not only practical but also enjoyable to read. Whether you're struggling with debt, looking to build an emergency fund, or wanting to start investing, this book provides the tools and guidance you need to make lasting changes. Its focus on simplicity, long-term planning, and aligning financial decisions with personal values makes it a standout in the genre of personal finance literature. For those who prefer a practical, no-nonsense approach to money management, The Barefoot Investor is well worth the read.